What is up guys, PWG here, the guy who is infamously known for never having his hair on point. And I'm here in Malmö, the city that is famous for never stopping to be windy. And I'm here with the boys, the freestyle community here in Malmö. We got Leonel, Leon, Edwin, Erik, Ranik, Joy to the World, and Hage. And these are most of the guys who are in the Malmö freestyle community. I just want to show you guys the talent of these people because their age are ranging from 9, from 11. Hur gammal är du? From 11 to 17, and I'm the oldest guy in the game right now. I'm 27, and I just want to show you guys these people. So I'm gonna put up a little montage of all these guys. Hope you guys enjoy. And remember, these guys have been training quite a lot for the past 2 or 3 years. So if you want to become a good football freestyler, you need to spend a lot of time every day to become like these guys. Okay, let's go. That was a few clips from the Malmö freestyle community. There's still a few other freestylers around this area, but they just didn't show up today. It's quite windy today, so we didn't get our best shit, but doesn't matter. So this is Joy to the World. Joy, go follow him on Instagram. Där är din Instagram. So a lot of people has been asking me on my Instagram DMs, how do you become a football freestyler? How much you have to train to become a football freestyler?
Well, a lot of questions.
A lot of really weird questions because obviously you have to train. So, Joye,
Yep.
what do you have to do to become a football freestyler? Because you are one right now.
I am one right now. Well, the most important thing I would say is to just, I mean, I think you just have to stay dedicated to what you want to do and have some goals as well that you can reach, because if you only freestyle with no goal and nothing to strive for, then it is to get bored and just go skating or hang out with friends or something. So you need some goal.
Do you want to do the outro for this one?
Oh.
Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, follow me here, follow him there, follow Leon there, and yeah.
With flying colors. All right. Alright, so make sure to go follow all of the freestylers that were here at the meeting today. All the links to their Instagrams will be in the description, and I will see you guys next time.